learners coming up and talking to such a crowd so confidently. I think I have an even bigger job to do to try and talk to you. My name is Alessio, as Mark said, and I work for TES as the science advisor there. But one thing that we have worked on was working with the school to create some iBooks for the iPad. And actually, we allowed the learners to create their multi-touch iBooks. And the results were quite good, because we only had a day to do it. And the pupils we worked with never used a Mac computer, and only one of them owned an iPad at home. And yet, they managed to create a book on their learning that they did on some animals with the company that came over from Birmingham, I think. And they put this information into their own little books, and they were these lovely interactive books that they could share with each other. But we thought, well, they did very, very well, and it was very simple for them. They picked up all these skills very, very quickly, very confidently. But what we felt is that perhaps some of the teachers might see these things and think that they're quite complicated, actually, to create these books. So this is what I made, and I just want to show you simply what kind of things you can create with iBooks Author, which is a free app for the Mac computers, or things like MacBook Air and so on. Sorry. Just to give you an idea of what you can do if you've never seen one before. So you can create things like this. This is just an interactive image that you can zoom in and have interactive labels. Very simple to make. But you can have other widgets of it that allow you to interact with the book. Like, for example, let me start this one again. These quizzes here on the left, where you can ask questions of different types. And I'm just doing this very quickly because this is not the presentation, I think. I'll show you something else later. And it marks it for you. You can add videos in the books, and it's quite cool, the kind of stuff that you can put into these books. And it's all very, very simple. However, we felt that maybe not the population of teachers that is in this room, but the larger population of teachers would probably struggle with something like this and think that is pretty complicated, it's not for me. But we wanted to show them that that's not the case. So what we got the children to do was to create video tutorials on how they made these books. So that's why I call this presentation, what happens basically when pupils become educators. And I think there is a lot of potential there. Oops. I've never used the Apple TV before, so I'm not really sure what's happening there. Mark, help? Trying to show the video from... Ah, right, so it's still loading, is it? Oh. It is playing, isn't it? Oh. Okay. Right, sorry, it's not working apparently, so I'll just have to talk about it. Oh, hang on. Okay. So, well, strange. Okay, well, you can see basically what the kids have done with these video tutorials. They did a screencast of their books and how they can introduce the widgets interactivity to these books. And they're about 1-2 minutes videos, each one of them. And they're very simple, and they show in simple steps how you can do this. It's not just about the teachers, it's about the kids as well, I believe. It gives them big confidence to be able to know that they can do something for their teachers. So if you're doing any digital learning schemes in your school, this is a fantastic project you can get them involved in. do something to show teachers how to use the technology that is so native to them. If you are interested in viewing these videos, you can find them on TES. And if you search for King Harry VIII, which is the school we did this project with, you find their videos there. They did a fantastic job, so please do go and have a look at them and leave a comment for the kids, because I think they did a great job. And also, the fact that we have them on TES gives them a global audience, which I think is very important for them. Like Julia probably will tell you later, with the blogging project that she does, how important it is for the kids to have a global audience and know that their work is valued worldwide. So thank you for listening, and I'm sorry we couldn't show you all the videos.